Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Middleburg local and long distance movers near me. If you are considering moving within the city, Middleburg local movers have all it takes to make your move seamless. Middleburg isn't just a cozy place to live in. Middleburg local 3 movers offer the following services: free cost estimation for your moving logistics, flat hourly rates, and packaging services. Long-distance moving could take a couple of days to be completed. This is due to the logistics involved in moving across states. However, 3 Movers, armed with all the techniques to facilitate a successful long-distance move, exist to make your moving tasks seamless. They ensure you don't get too burdened with the stress of moving. Middleburg long-distance movers provide secure storage facilities with state-of-the-art surveillance cameras to ensure proper supervision. 3 Movers designs its pricing options to meet every customer's budget, letting you track the progress level of your desired transport. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Middleburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.